all of us.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police, Prestone, on Thursday hit back at TMC leader and former Chief Minister Dr. Mukul for insulting the police department by terming the cops an instrument of political bosses. He said that the government and the police are here to protect the interests of the people of the state.
I think Dr. Mukul himself, he has been in the chair as Chief Minister for more than 7 years, maybe 8 years. I think when he talked that way, is he trying to say that time when he was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, he uses all the officers in the police department for his own interest? If that is so, it is so unfortunate. But let me tell you very frankly that as government, we are here, be it Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, or be it anybody. We are here not to protect for ourselves, but we are here to protect the citizens of the state.